Welcome back to my channel. I'm a Get Loud Jungle Crate. From the last episode, we stay here. This small house, like big resort, you know, because they have everything. And with my friend Chai, the one of my YouTube channel. So he have rifle. I don't have rifle, but I will follow him to the jungle. So I don't know what we get. You can see this area very big. Only 3 cows. The owner not here, so we borrow the owner resort. Okay, guys, please follow us to go the jungle. I will follow Chai. Okay, let's go. I don't know what it is. Right here. Oh, bird. Oh. Đâu ra xà lò? Sure. Oh, you can see the bird. Remember, this area is last time we come with my brother. We go this way to go down. We pass motorcycle here, so we are continue walk to the jungle. He very fast. Want to drink some water first. To the jungle, not easy. You can see they used to do the furniture, good and nice furniture. Wow, very long. Clean river, clean water. I just use the banana leaf to drink. Very fresh. Nothing, I think so. So my friend is already night time, but during time we go back. My friend looking for the bamboo worm. I don't know have or not. Let's try. It's over there. 1, 2, 3. The bamboo worm is over there. I don't know have or not. Let's try. Very big jungle. This is a rainforest, deep jungle. Already there. Surprise. This is some bamboo worm on the road. Wow, this guy is so strong. He 50% live in the jungle, 50% live in the village. That's the reason why very strong. Cái chuyện tôi thì lúc trước là từ đó nữa. Ở lúc có kia hả? Yeah, it's already here, but so much water. Here, so much water here. Yeah, but not so big yet, right? Not very big yet. All right, some here. Okay, I'm going to cut some more.
Okay.
There's some hole over there, so inside should be had some worm, sure 100%. There's some more here. What to put to the bamboo bottle. I think yeah. See, have some little small worm. This is not bamboo worm. This is maybe fry worm. Yeah. So much. They consider very fat already because they come to stay together in one place. Like they consider very fat already. See here. Wow. Very fat and so much everywhere here. You see? Wow. I'm so hungry right now. So actually we have some squirrel over there, but it's take time to cook. So I just eat the lemon like this. Take some power. So good. Here again. Now is our dinner time. Already midnight. With some rice, squirrel. We barbecue some squirrel and our worm. So after eat, you are rest. See you tomorrow. Good morning. Here again, I take off my shirt. Very hot. My friend, she want to shoot the bird, but there is too many mosquito. I don't have rifle, so of course I come over here for rest. But I don't have lighter. We are prepared to go back because of nothing to do else here. So we are prepare our thing. Okay, so Guy, you want to see anything? You want to say anything?
I don't have.
So I hope to see you next EP soon. Bye bye.